Replacing the filters in your AquaTru Model 3? Let's do this in a couple of easy steps. First, turn off the water or unplug the unit. Then, remove the front cover by pushing it down and pulling it forward. Rotate the old filters a quarter turn counterclockwise and remove. Then, install the pre-carbon, reverse osmosis, and VOC filters into their respective positions, following the colors and names on the labels. Replace the mineral filter with the included filter flusher. Connect a spare length of 1/4 inch tubing to the outlet of the filter flusher and place it in your bucket or container. Turn on the water or plug in the unit and flush 5 gallons of water through the filters. Then turn off the water or unplug the unit. Replace the mineral filter after flushing. Turn on the water or plug in the unit and check for any leaks. After you've checked for leaks, replace the front panel and lock if desired, and enjoy clean, pure water. For further assistance, please contact customer service.